Hello guys, so today's video is just based on what happened yesterday. It's a very shocking and surprising situation I found myself in. Okay, this is the exact footage I presented to the police, and it helped them to locate the slum, and the boy was arrested. What happened? A little backstory. I and my friend were driving along Chevron Lekki, and we parked along the road. My friend came down from the car and he went to ease himself. So I was the only one in the car, and I needed to buy something from the supermarket across the road, and I asked him if he had the key to the car. He said yes. Now I came down from the car and I crossed over to the other side to buy something at the supermarket, with the mindset that the car was locked. Of course it was locked, but I didn't realize that the back seat, because I was sitting in front, I didn't realize that the back seat window was open. So I figured this guy who was standing wearing blue, I knew this guy was the only one standing close to the car at that time. So I came out from the supermarket and my friend came into the car after eating himself. He came into the car and he didn't even notice. So when I came out from the supermarket, wanted to put the things I bought at the back seat, and I discovered that the laptop was missing. So it was very shocking, and that moment I had my drone in the car and I realized, okay, you know what? This guy may not be far away from here because he just left here. So what I needed to do was to take the drone as high as possible and look around the camera if I could see someone putting on blue shirt, because he was the only one close to the car at the time. So that's what I did, and voila, I found him. We saw him crossing the road. This is like miles away from the street where he was crossing was just far away from where he took the laptop. So we started following him. At first I didn't want to bring the drone closer so he wouldn't notice. It was high, I think 200 feet. At some point we lost signal and I was scared that we may lose him. So while I was trying to keep track of him, my friend was calling the police because we discovered that the place he was going into may look like, a ghetto, and we've not gone there before and we don't even know that place. What if this man may even have something, or a gun or something? So we were scared, and my friend decided to alert the police, and they were like, what happened, and stuff like that. So we narrated the whole situation to them, and they wanted to see the evidence to get a clue, because we said we had a clue where he went to, but we couldn't know that area because we didn't get where he started from before he entered the street. So we didn't know which area was it where he passed to enter the street. But when we were able to show that to the police and the Malam selling things along the road, the Malam directed us that it's a couple of streets away from where we were. So the police went there, and behold, it was a slum. So they got there and exactly matched the description of the drone shots. So I saw him walking into this gate where the houses there looks like a slum and close to the canal. And that was the moment I finally lost signal and I couldn't track, because I was like far away from where I was. And